Hey everybody. I just wanted to talk to you about at my expectations for this week, specifically in reference to the COVID-19 design brief and all the work that you guys are doing. So this is an overview of what I expect you guys to do between today, March 30th, and Friday, April 3rd. Okay. We start to go through this thing here. The first thing that I want you to do this week is update last week's assignment after you review the comments that I've left for you. I have spent quite a bit of time going through your assignments. A lot of you need some backgrounds for your presentations to give it a little bit more personality. And a lot of you have done really great on some sketches, and some of you still need to do some work on some sketches. So take a look at the individual comments that I've left for you and make sure to update that really before you start working on anything else, especially for the few of you who really have an undefined problem statement at this point. Hard to continue designing when you don't know what the problem is. Okay, so for instance, um, one particular student is talking about how toilet paper is an issue right now that you can't get it. But then again, there's no work going beyond that, like how to generate toilet paper at home or what you could use as an alternative to toilet paper at home. So you really got to look at those things before you can start developing selected designs and ultimately a model. So work on last week's stuff first, update that, get that good to go. Then this week, the two main areas that we're going to be working on is uploading a selected design drawing and working on some sort of a model or prototype. Okay, so for your selected design drawing, I want this drawing to be largely three-dimensional. Okay, and you can use value to help produce that 3D look. And as a matter of fact, you really need to add value because it's one of the criteria that I'm going to be um, checking up on you for, all right? If you want to, you can use color to help with that selected design. It certainly would make it look more realistic. But not everybody has colored pens and pencils at home, so it's really up to you if you want to add that, okay? It certainly will make it better if you do. Then you're also going to start to work on some sort of a model or prototype of your project, okay? So remember, a model is a non-working version of your concept. It could be smaller, it could be bigger. It doesn't have to operate itself. A prototype is a working version. Okay, when you start to develop these prototypes, start looking around in your recycling bin, start looking at some stuff around your house that you might be able to utilize to produce that, okay? And you're going to insert images of your model and prototype and also your selected design drawings into your presentation. If you can create a working prototype and actually show me how that thing works in a video, I'll give you some bonus points for being able to show me a working prototype of your device. If your device is actually doing what your problem statement is asking for. Okay, so just I want to take a look. Priya did a really great job with a lot of this stuff. So let's just kind of run through what a successful kind of project is looking like right now. Great job, Priya. When we start looking at this, first of all, she has a title slide. She has a background here. It's associated with the actual problem. So I mean, this is really great. She wants to design a device that effectively disinfects a variety of surfaces, including countertops. She has some great constraints here. It has to be small and compact. Makes sense. We don't want something to be huge that you can't pick up. It needs to be easily transportable. Has to be low cost. Should be easy to use by a variety of people. Okay, so A, problem statement here. Design a device that effectively disinfects a variety of surfaces, including countertops. That will help prevent the spread of COVID-19. But notice that nowhere within here does it necessarily say COVID-19. It doesn't have to. Realistically, we're looking at trying to solve, the causes of it. Okay, small and compact, easy to transport, low cost, easy to use. These are all great constraints that will make this be a product that could be used by lots of people. So here she has a couple different examples. She has changed the title. Instead of just being research 1 and 2 or whatever it is up here, she's actually changed the title. A lot of you need to go through that. Has some good pros and cons. Also has a link down at the bottom here. Also shows another example of a pro and con here, and a product that is used to help disinfect. So here she has her different brainstorm sketches, which she's really gone above and beyond with these. Um, Lots of notes, explains what's going on here. You can pause and take a closer look here, but like this is really, you know, a mastery type level work right here. Lots of information involved in all of these. Okay, again, like something that is of similar design but different. Okay, and again, she's showing like a lot of detail, right? And I love how she's using technical writing when she's creating this. And you know, again, great sketches, great value. Really doing a terrific job here. So for selected design, she's already gone above and beyond and has a lot of this stuff already done. So she didn't have to reproduce it. If you're doing something that's a little bit more basic, doesn't already have value and 3 dimensions to it, then you definitely want to start again and produce like a better drawing, because this is ultimately what I'm going to be grading as far as value is concerned, and like I'll look at this for the others as well. But you know, she selected this design because it does meet the constraints. Um, so it's going to disinfect using the light, and you know, she's got some great information about why she's selected this. She's also explained a little bit more information down here below. So at this point, she really needs to start developing some sort of a model for this. She's going to place an image in the model. And we're not going to worry about refining and redesigning yet. Okay, so this week you guys are really going to be updating selected design and putting a model into your project, and then you'll be sharing that with me again. Um, all in all, ladies and gentlemen, I think half of you really did a great job last week on your assignment. I think the other half of you still have some work that needs to happen. There's a handful of you who have a lot of work to do still, but all in all, like I'm pretty impressed with the work of the class. So keep up the good work. If you have any questions, email me. I'm available live from 9 to 10 every single day. And I check my email quite a bit more regularly than just that. So feel free to drop me a line when you have any questions. And oh, by the way, this assignment originally I had to do on Wednesday, but I'm pushing that back till Friday this week. But it's going to be due at 9 a.m. Okay, so why don't I add that real quick here? All right, there we go. So this assignment is going to be due at 9 o'clock in the morning on Friday. Okay, that way I can take a look at it during my office hours and after my office hours and provide some feedback on it for you guys. All sections up to and including the model must be completed and turned in by 9 a.m. on Friday. Again, if you guys can produce a video of a working prototype, that'd be even better. I can give you some bonus credit for that. And all in all, I'm looking forward to seeing your models this week. All right, I'll be posting some information later on throughout the week. So make sure to keep checking back in Classroom. And if you have, again, if you have any questions, email me. All right, good luck. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.